What are Bitcoin NFTs? In today's video, I'm going to break it all down for you. In the height of 2021, Ethereum and Solana taught many people about digital assets on the blockchain, aka NFTs. However, most have not heard of Bitcoin NFTs, which launched in 2023 in the middle of the NFT bear market. Since that time, they have steadily increased their daily sales volume, even flipping Ethereum sometimes on the day, with all-time sales now ranking in the top 3 of all NFT sales ever. Let's point out one of the major differences between Ethereum and Bitcoin NFTs. Ethereum NFTs are created with the ERC-721 token standard. What this means is that each NFT on the Ethereum network is a new token. It's a layer on top of Ethereum itself. Bitcoin Ordinals is a protocol that allows individuals like you and me to inscribe an NFT into Bitcoin itself. That's right, this is not a new token, another layer on top of Bitcoin. This is created inside of Bitcoin. It's quite simple how it works. Every time there's a Bitcoin transaction, you're allowed to inscribe or add some metadata inside of a Bitcoin Satoshi. What is a Bitcoin Satoshi? Well, a Satoshi is the lowest denomination of a Bitcoin, 1/100 millionth of a Bitcoin. You can inscribe any type of metadata up to 4 megabytes. We're talking images, video, music, even gaming could be all inscribed onto Bitcoin. Herein lies the difference between Bitcoin NFTs and NFTs on different platforms. Because on Bitcoin, you can only inscribe them into Satoshi, which means that the data is fully on chain. That means this data is immutable, whereas in Ethereum, Solana, and a lot of different ecosystems, they have pointers that point your NFT images, files to third-party servers. The reason they point to third-party servers is because you can host larger files, larger videos, larger music, but it doesn't mean that it's on-chain, which means that if the servers ever go offline, your NFT image, video, and music will go away. Being on-chain with Bitcoin does have its limitation, as it's only up to 4 megabytes per inscription. Fear not, even with that cap, you can combine or daisy chain all the Satoshis to support larger files. Because of the immutability, big brands have already come on board. Sotheby's has auctioned the latest Asprey Bugatti Crown Egg. Pushing the boundaries, Wu-Tang Clan legend Ghostface Killah has launched music in the form of NFTs through Bitcoin. Bitcoin NFTs have become so popular and have caused so much sales volume that even President-elect Donald Trump has launched collectibles in the form of Bitcoin Ordinals. Bitcoin NFTs has the provenance, the metadata that other NFT blockchain standards adopt, and dare I say they have even increased security because Bitcoin is known as the most secure network. One added benefit of Bitcoin NFTs is its rarity. Yes, that's a new concept created by the founders of the Bitcoin Ordinals protocol himself. The creator of Bitcoin Ordinals, which allows NFTs to be inscribed onto a Bitcoin Satoshi, his name is Casey Rodarmore, and he created this rarity chart to up the game for NFT collecting. In the world of Bitcoin, there's a lot of monumental movements that a lot of Bitcoin maximalists subscribe to. And guess what? They put the money where the mouth is. A lot of these individuals have bought Satoshis that are deemed rare on this chart. By now, we all know about the Bitcoin halving, and according to Casey Rodarmore's chart, this is called an epic Satoshi. Well, an epic Satoshi, which is the first block mined after each halving, just recently sold for $2.1 million for one Satoshi. Remember, one Satoshi is 1/100 million of a Bitcoin. And a Satoshi right now, you and I can buy on the open market for not even a penny. But this has intrinsic value for a lot of people out there. Remember, you could inscribe an NFT into just one Satoshi, and the buyers of this epic SAT chose to do just that. They inscribed an AI-generated voice from Grimes. Who knows what they're going to do with it? They're probably selling it to the mass market. This adds another layer of value for collectors. Collectors seem to gravitate towards more rare items. Now, this rarity is all based off of chronological order. As we all know, Bitcoin halvings happen sequentially, one after the other. If we go 1 inch deeper, there is other value with Bitcoin NFTs. You could be purchasing a Bitcoin NFT that was mined by Satoshi himself. That's right, you can purchase a Satoshi from Nakamoto himself and inscribe NFTs within it. Those NFTs are thought to be more rare and have more value. You can also buy NFTs on Satoshis that have different social significance, like the pizza sets. The first Bitcoins, 10,000 of them to be exact, to buy 2 Papa John's pizza. And yes, you can buy NFTs on those Satoshis. Now, it's not all sunshine and gravy over in the Bitcoin NFT land, as NFTs on different blockchains are generally faster and more efficient. Bitcoin being proof of work does take longer for miners to mine that block, meaning to complete your transaction, and that could cause some delays. And the largest difference in handling of these NFTs is in the transactions themselves, which by the time you're watching this video, most wallets and marketplaces would have solved already. And that problem is simply this: sending Bitcoin that hosts an NFT. Remember, Bitcoin NFTs are inscribed into the currency itself, inside of a Bitcoin. On your Ethereum, it's completely different. It is a token standard, another layer on top of your Ethereum. So the NFT is not inside of a Ethereum. When you send your Ethereum to your peers, you will not be sending your NFT away. However, there is a chance if you're sending Bitcoin away from your wallet that does not know how to distinguish between a Bitcoin with NFT in it and Bitcoin without, you may be sending your NFT away. Don't be scared. As I mentioned, most crypto wallets and marketplaces are able to distinguish these nowadays. Xfirst Wallet, Magic Eden Wallet, and many wallets out there will know how to differentiate between Bitcoins with NFTs and ones without. So when you send receive, you'll be able to do this with a peace of mind that you won't be sending away your NFTs. When I click on receive on this wallet, you will see that I have two different addresses, Bitcoin and one for Ordinals, which is the NFTs on Bitcoin network, where you should send an NFT to. I'll definitely break down in further videos, so definitely subscribe and follow along. In under 1 year, Bitcoin NFTs were able to garner attention from celebrities, musicians, and even had videos and gaming on the network. And the latest innovation on Bitcoin is none other than meme coins. That's right, you heard it. Meme coins are called runes on the Bitcoin network, and it is now tradable on a 24/7 open marketplace. You might be wondering why this matters, and that's because Bitcoin has the largest traders, the most security, and the most volume. In just 1 year's time, Bitcoin has climbed to the top 3 ranking in NFT trading. This is only going to continue and bleed over into the meme coin world. I cannot wait for Bitcoin to really steal the spotlight. The Mac Daddy has come to play, the mothership is here, and once people figure out that you can buy NFTs and trade meme coins on Bitcoin, you best believe they ain't going anywhere else. Not to worry, I'm going to walk you through all this as there's different mechanisms to trading meme coins on Bitcoin, so definitely follow along for those tutorials. If this has been helpful, definitely consider a subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you guys on the next one.